Action. What's up, everybody? Do you think that's why he does that? That's so cool. Hold on. I got one more. What's up, everybody? Oh, I feel so cool. So, this is a series that I've wanted to start for a while now. And I thought, what better video to start it with than the king of 2-Minute Tuesdays? So, I'm stealing this idea from Peter McKinnon. Every Tuesday, I'm going to come with a very quick video teaching you something, reviewing something, reacting to something, whatever it may be. These are just going to be fun videos we can add to the channel and just get a little bit more content, and that's not just clothing reviews. So today, these are 5 lessons I think that we can all learn from Peter McKinnon. So we have YouTube icon, filmmaking icon, pirate icon, and now fashion icon? I think so. Okay, let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let's get into this. Number 1, invest in high quality basics. Invest in good clothing. Instead of spending a ton of money over the course of a year for a bunch of t-shirts, spend a little bit more money on a t-shirt or jacket or shoes or whatever it may be that's actually gonna last you. This jacket from Huckberry, also in The Last of Us, and I think a very Peter McKinnon-y vibe with this jacket. I love it. It's like $300, but this thing I'm gonna be able to hand down to my kids one day. That's the epitome of Peter McKinnon. Legacy items that are gonna last forever. Number 2, experiment with accessories. I'm not saying you have to go crazy and wear all the rings and the grills and whatnot, but Peter McKinnon does a very good job of wearing accessories that work with him. Not everything's gonna work with you, not everything's gonna work with me, but find what works with you and own it. Don't put yourself in a box. Number 3, don't be afraid of color. Peter McKinnon does this very well also, and I have to remind myself to not always wear the same colors. Add a little pop of something, whether it's on a watch face, whether it's on the end of a knife. I don't know if you can see this. This is lime green on this knife. Add something somewhere. It doesn't have to be noticeable, but it also still has to be noticeable. Number 4, dress for the occasion. Now, this is a little hit or miss because Peter McKinnon lives a super crazy lifestyle being the big YouTuber that he is, but you should always dress for the occasion, but bring yourself. You know, don't try and dress like how everybody else is gonna dress. Elevate or de-escalate what you're wearing based on what you're doing, but don't be afraid to bring yourself to the occasion. And number 5, confidence is key. I preach this all the time. You have to be confident and comfortable with what you're wearing, but sometimes you can wear things that make you feel confident, and sometimes you bring your confidence to the outfit itself. Somewhere in the middle there, that's where you're gonna really succeed with what you're wearing. If you want to watch any other videos, I've got this jacket, this t-shirt, the jeans I'm wearing. I've even got this watch. They're all going to be linked at the end of this video. Feel free to go watch any of those reviews. All of these products are amazing products, and if you've never watched a Peter McKinnon video, do yourself a favor and just go watch one of them, either on his main channel or Pete's Pirate Life. And Peter, if you ever watch this video, I like to go play on dirt bikes too.